In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change pitches in Baseball 9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can customize various different things about any player, including the pitches. So, to do this, head over to the Customize tab. In here, you can see all of your players. You can change stuff like the face, the eye color, body, motion, and so on. And if you go to a specific one, you will be able to find the pitches. So depending on which player you select, you will have pitch type available at the back. So as you can see, these will change the pitcher's pitch type. All of them are going to cost the currency that you have here, the standard coins. So keep that in mind. So you will be able to browse through all of them. Usually you will have 2 by default. So as you can see here, I have fastball and 2 seams, and you can tap on any of them. You can see preferences here, select whether or not to use this pitch type. You can always change it later. You will have fastballs, off-speed pitches, and you can choose from any of them. Of course, if you try to choose a specific one that you don't have, you will get the prompt to purchase it. Sadly, I don't have enough coins on my account, but regardless, you will be able to select any of the pre-existing ones that you have and pay the required amount in coins to change it. It is going to be yours to keep forever, so you can swap between them as much as you want. So switch between them back and forth, and you can use all of these pitch types. Different players are going to have different ones by default. So in this example here, M. Carter has the fastball and sinker available, but A. Brown doesn't have sinker, it has 2 seam instead. So buy the pitch for a specific pitcher. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.